So here we have the year 1972 Corvette LT1 4-speed that came in, what do you call it, Bloomington Gold winner, NCRS Bloomington Gold winner. Beautiful, beautiful car. Probably my favorite out of the entire collection of this particular client. And he has a bunch of very, very low mileage Z06s, ZR1s, Callaway, 50-something Corvette, 60s, 70s, C6s, C7s, all of that, C8s. Now this car came in, like I said, very beautiful, but in desperate need of a paint correction, which you could tell in the before video that I took. So it took a multi-step paint correction, and after that the car was ceramic coated. Beautiful, beautiful car. Like I said it already, but I can't say it enough. My favorite car out of the entire collection. Just love the shape of this car, and I think red is absolutely very, very fitting for this type of body style. And as I usually point out, again, this car is proof again that a car that is a NCRS award-winning car, which to me means it's mainly being judged for the mechanical aspects, the fact that was restored or maybe original in some cases, and is completely 100% or close to 100% of what it was when it left the factory. But that does not mean that the paint is in the condition that it should be, at least not from a detailer's point of view. So the car was restored, pretty nice paint job, beautiful paint job, but the imperfections in it were just not what you would expect. So to anybody that has a beautifully restored car, and even an award-winning car, please take a good look at the quality of the paint, not the way it was painted, the bodywork, etc., because that absolutely is, the basis for a quality paint job. But then look at the finish of the paint job. Look for swirls, buffer marks, buffer trails, pigtails, all of those things that you can think of. Because if you take care of those aspects of the paint job, the car will absolutely go up a few notches. Just as this one is a perfect example of that. The before, already beautiful, but not what it should be. And then after the paint correction and ceramic coating in this case, the car now looks like you would expect a Bloomington Gold winning car to look like. This particular car was bought from a collection, actually it was a museum on the west coast of Florida in Punta Gorda. I forgot the gentleman's name, but was very well known for having a beautiful collection of muscle cars. Late last year, I believe it was, put it up for sale, and my client picked up this beautiful example. One of only 240 made, yeah, as the sticker here says. 350 4-speed, one of 240, factory air, power windows, tilt, AM, FM, etc., etc. And on top of that, NCRS winning car, Bloomington Gold. This thing is just so beautiful. I wish every car would look like this when I go to car shows, because a lot of times I walk into a car that I see from a distance that I think is just amazing, and then when I get close I see the swirl marks and I'm thinking, man, if only the owner would be aware of that and have someone take care of that for him or her. And I hope you guys enjoy the before and after and enjoy the beauty of this car.